Opencode versus Cloud Code. So, Opencode is an open source, terminal-based AI coding agent that supports over 75 language models, including OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, and local models. It features an SLP or LP integration for code awareness, themable TUI interface, session sharing, and flexibility for customization. So, its process is fully open source and free. It supports many models as well, plus the offline options. It also has a flexible CLI with multi-sessions and session sharings. It's also easy to install and even has this custom commands via the Node.js. And it's also easy to learn. The problem is, it's newer and less polished, and there's no enterprise-grade support. Now, Cloud Code, on the other hand, is a proprietary AI development assistant by Anthropic, embedded in your terminal and IDE. It's built on cloud, Opus 4 and Sonnet models. So it's good with the excellent code base comprehension and long context reasoning. It also has deep CLI and IDE integration with safety. It also has an enterprise-ready security controls and broad tune chase access. And the benchmarks show superior coding accuracy. The concept of it, though, is it is proprietary and costly. It also requires Anthropic subscription, and it also has occasional instability compared to others. So overall, if you value full customization, open source flexibility, and model choice, go for OpenCode. But if you need enterprise grade coding intelligence with deep context awareness, then choose Cloud Code.